burritos upstairs. That place on the corner's changed a lot too. Isn't that the one? Is that the one? Oh no, it's down there, wasn't it? Or was it that one that was Burger King? Yeah, you have the surfboards on the door. I can never remember if it's just here or there. I think it's here because it was on a corner without the stairs. But it's been through a few different places now, I think. I went to go. So you got Poke Bar, you got burritos and tacos upstairs, ABC store, you got OMG, oh my god, the Wahoo Mexican Grill, which apparently is meant to be really good too. There's not a lot of Mexican places here. So we're just following Alli down Pilcoa Ave, Aloha shirt outlet, people trying to sell us things. There's jewellery in there. Then you got cheeseburgers in Paradise. Good food, good vibes. Pretty sure they do happy hours and stuff too. Haagen-Dazs, Rip Curl, Kai Coffee, hats, surprise, surprise, ABC store. Got Alahualani, or Alahualani, sorry. The entries are there. I never realised I don't have the golden arches here either on the McDonald's. You know how some places they don't have it, so it doesn't. There's only a few places that don't have them gold.
Yeah.
I never realised theirs weren't gold though.
No, me either. They're great.
Yeah. It's taken a while, this one. Yeah, I know, it's pretty bad. There we go. Normally it doesn't feel like it takes that long, but that one took forever. The Alahualani Hotel was good, except for the pool area. The tiles on the roof there are slippery as shit. They're polished tiles, they're not tiles that should be by a pool, so you watch people slipping and sliding. We slipped and slid all over the shop. And the same thing when it has kids. I think the spa had, what, about 20 kids in it, and the bar was right beside the spa, so you couldn't go.
Considering the spa had a sign on it saying no kids allowed.
Yeah, it was adults only. It was full of kids.
Yeah.
But it's got like one of the largest indoor aquariums. It's huge. It's like 2-3 stories.
Yeah.
I'll throw a photo over top of this bit. ABC store. again. But yeah, I'll chuck a photo over top of the inside of the lobby for a video. Like I said, beautiful hotel. It used to be one of the most expensive, but now it's not so bad compared to a lot of things here. So, like just behind us is the one that's something like $5,000 or $8,000 a night. Obviously, Billabong. Oh, good, thank you. Oh, we're gonna go for it now? Let's go for it. Just go to your right here. Just quickly wanna through this store. I think we can go. Let's cut through. We'll do a little cut through dive. You'll never guess through what. An ABC store. How do you walk around? So you got Havana's, Thai coffee again. Let's thought we'd do a little divert. Thinking we need to pee. Soak house. You want more coffee? Kind of refreshing walking through here. I think the water cools it down a lot too. There we are. So there we were. Good check-in up there. Or do you want to go that way? That's left. Yeah. That's that urban one, wasn't it? The one I said we haven't been in yet. The Urban Outfitters. They probably have those pants as well. So you got Hawaiian Casuals over there, kind of like ABC type store. Urban Outfitters. You got Sheridan Princess over there as well. I feel like we're getting every red light today. Trump. Yeah. It's 8:20. We're doing alright.
Yeah.
You want to get your Crocs on? Plenty of Crocs there for you to go look at or buy. Another hat shop. Or if you just need socks. It's probably the only thing I don't use when we're here, socks.
Sorry?
I was just saying the only thing you don't really use here is socks.
Yeah.
Well, we will today because we have to. We've got to wear sneakers out the Cool Out Ranch, but a lot of the time you don't ever really. This is it. Check out my feet. Check out Ali's feet. That's about it. ABC store. If you want to buy a Tesla while on holiday. Or a Rolex. You buy a Rolex and a Tesla. That's gotta be the worst. Jesus Christ, we can cut to that. Like we're flying backwards. It's crazy how they do their bin pickups. But I guess they got no other way. They need something to get in and out of the hotels. That's probably all they got. Duke's Lane, Foot Locker, California Pizza, Rip Curl. You got another ABC store, obviously. And you got Atlantis Seafood up top as well, which I think is on that side. Because California's on the right. Lululemon. Got Mono, got wine gear, top of Waikiki, and the Sky restaurant. Yeah, just alright. And you've got a big H&M as well. Across from the Waikiki shopping plaza, which has all your downstairs restaurants, like your Japanese restaurants, etc. Still can. I'm sure we'll go down there and film too. Get food. ABC store. We're gonna go get some Musubis for brekkie, so I will probably leave it here. And we'll get some food. You can say bye.
Make sure you like and sub.